What's up everyone? So today I will tell you how to get 6-pack abs in just 10 days. If you are expecting something like this, then I would be happy if you skip this video. But if you need some science-based approach to get those 6-pack abs, then watch this video till the end. What's up everyone? So in today's video, we are going to be looking into the most common question which I usually get, that is how to get 6-pack abs. So in this video, I'm not giving you an ab workout. I have already made many videos on ab workouts on my channel. You can check out the link in the description. So instead, I will be giving you a strategic approach which you can follow to get closer to your goal of achieving those 6-pack abs. So you might have heard that the abs are made in the kitchen, but there is much more to it. Actually, the abs are revealed in the kitchen. So as you reduce your overall body fat percentage, you'll be able to see your abs. But abs are actually made depending upon the intensity and the effectiveness of your workout. So the definition of your abs will be determined by the workouts that you're following on a daily basis. So to support this theory, you might have seen many skinny guys who already have a very low fat percentage, but still they are not able to see their abs properly, which means that they are not doing any isolated workout for their abs to get that well-defined ab structure. So before we start this video, you have to keep one thing in mind, that is the spot reduction is not possible. So by just doing the ab workouts such as the leg raises and crunches, you won't be able to reduce your belly fat and move closer to the goal of achieving those 6-packs. So now let's see at what fat percentage you will be able to see your abs. So at a fat percentage range of 15% for males, and for women you can add just 8 to 10% on all the fat percentage ranges which I am telling for the males. So at a range of 15%, at least you will see some definition of your abs. You will be able to notice your upper abs at this point. And as you lower down your fat percentage and come to a range of 12 to 11%, when you flex your abs completely, you will be able to see a complete definition of 6-pack abs, and also your oblique muscles will be visible at this fat percentage. And when you lower down further, when you go below 11%, ranging from like 10 to 8 to 6%, here you will be seeing the complete definition of your 6-pack abs even in a non-flex position. So this is the point where the definition of your abs will be very clear. But to stay at this point, you will require a lot of dedication with your meal plans and your workouts. So for every individual, depending upon the current fat percentage, the strategy to move towards the goal of getting 6-pack abs will differ. So to make it a bit easier for you to understand, I had divided this video into 3 categories. So the first category is the lean individuals whose fat percentage is very low. The second one is for the moderate fat percentage individuals, and the third one is for the high fat percentage individuals. So now depending upon your fat percentage, we will decide how you should go about your training, your cardio activities and your meal plans. So watch this video till the end, and after watching this video, I can assure that you won't be the same guy who just searches some ab workout videos on the internet and keep on doing it in the hopes of getting his 6-pack abs. So the first category which we are going to discuss here is for the lean individuals who have a fat percentage ranging from 6% to 13%. So I'm assuming that you are already lean, you have very low fat percentage, but still you are not able to see your abdominal muscles. In terms of the training, you should focus on the strength and hypertrophy. So you should go for both the isolated as well as compound movements at this fat percentage and build maximum muscle mass as much as is possible for you on the other body parts as well. And in terms of the ab workouts, it will play a very crucial role to define your ab size as well as the definition here. So at this point, your ab workouts will determine the complete visibility and definition of your abs. So it's necessary that you include all the ab workouts depending upon their anatomy and function, which includes the top to bottom exercises, bottom to top exercises and rotational exercises such as the crunches, leg raises and Russian twists respectively. So at this stage, to reveal your abs, cardiovascular activities are not of much importance when compared to the strength training. So you should focus more on the strength training at this fat percentage, and unless you have any endurance or sport specific demands. In terms of the nutrition, there will be a lot of parameters which we can cover depending upon the individual's current body fat percentage and his goals. But I will be giving you a generic idea and keeping it very small and simple. So here, as our goal is to improve the size and hypertrophy of the abdominal muscles, we will be staying either in a caloric maintenance or slight caloric surplus of 250 calories to 500 calories. But make sure that you hit the adequate amount of protein. which can range from 1.2 grams per kilogram to 2 grams per kilogram. So the basic idea here is to stay in a calorie maintenance or slight calorie surplus by hitting your protein intake adequately on a consistent basis. So the second category is the individuals with a moderate fat percentage, which is ranging from 13% to 25%. In terms of the training, strength training will play a crucial role here. So you should include both the isolated as well as compound movements here and aim to increase your muscle mass. And since the muscles are metabolically more active when compared with the fats, you will be able to burn more calories even at rest. So indirectly, it will help you to be in a calorie deficit and shed off those extra fat and help you to reach towards your goal of getting those six-pack abs. And here also you can follow a good ab workout routine, which includes both the movement-based workouts such as the crunches, leg raises, and also the isometric workouts such as the plank, hollow bodies, and many more. Because at this fat percentage, if you follow a good ab workout routine, you will be able to see slight definition of your upper abs. And once you get to see those upper abs, you will get a good motivation to reduce your body fat percentage and reach towards your goal of six-pack abs. So at this stage, the focus should be on both the strength training as well as the isolated ab workouts. So at this fat percentage, whether to add cardio or not is all dependent upon you. If you enjoy the cardio activities, then you can add the cardio for at least 1 or 2 times a week to increase your overall calorie expenditure and thus reduce your overall fat percentage by staying in a calorie deficit. Now, depending upon your time availability, you can either choose to go for high intensity cardio activities which will last for 20 to 30 minutes, or you can go for a low intensity endurance cardio activities such as normal steady state jogging for 60 to 90 minutes. So in terms of nutrition, it is pretty obvious here that you have to stay in a calorie deficit diet so as to reduce your overall fat percentage. So you have to make sure you are eating 250 to 500 calories less than your calorie maintenance here. But while being in a calorie deficit, you have to hit your protein goals on a daily basis consistently, which can range from 1.2 grams per kilogram to 2 grams per kilogram. Because this protein will help you to preserve and build your muscle mass, which is a good friend when it comes to losing the fat percentage and achieving your goal of getting those six-pack abs. So the next category is the individuals with higher fat percentage, that is more than 25%. At this fat percentage range, the ab workouts such as leg raises, crunches becomes absolutely useless. So if you are following these ab workouts in the hopes of getting closer to your six-pack ab goal, then you are just wasting your time. Instead, you should focus on the strength training here. You should involve more compound movements and you should also add some isolated movements so as to increase your muscle mass. And as I already told you earlier, muscles are your good friend when it comes to losing fat. So you should aim to gain more muscle mass with the strength training at this point. But I'm not telling you that you should completely avoid the ab workouts. You should include some ab workouts, but the aim of this ab workout would be to increase your stability power. So you should include the workouts such as the plank, hollow body hold and other isometric ab workouts which will help you to stabilize your core muscles with all the strength training workouts which you are doing. So this will also help you to stay away from the injury when you are overloading into your strength routine. In terms of the cardio, at this stage, your body is already very deconditioned and your muscles are weak. So you can't go into the high intensity cardio. Instead, I would suggest that you should do a low intensity cardios and low impact cardio such as the cycling, swimming and other low intensity brisk walk. But apart from that, NEAT plays a crucial role here, which is the non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which means that instead of taking vehicles for short distance, you should go for a walk. Instead of taking lift, you should climb the stairs. So all the activities which include some movement apart from the intentional exercise time will play a crucial role here to burn more calories and indeed reduce your overall fat percentage and thus helping in reaching towards your goal of getting those six-pack abs. So it's pretty obvious here that we have to reduce our overall fat percentage while retaining and growing our muscle mass. So we have to be in a calorie deficit while maintaining an adequate intake of the protein. Apart from that, you already know all the unhealthy stuff which you have been eating to reach towards this fat percentage. So make sure that you reduce those unhealthy food intake and replace it with the healthier ones. So I guess I gave you a lot of clarity on how to approach with your training and nutrition when it comes to reaching towards your goal of getting those six-pack abs. But now there is one more pretty common question, which is how many times should I train my abs in a week? So the frequency of your ab workout training will depend a lot on your volume and intensity. So if you keep your volume high, then you can reduce the frequency of your training, and if you keep your volume low, then you can increase the frequency of the training, which means that if you are dedicating an ab workout for 20 minutes, which means the volume is very high, so intensity will be low there. You will be doing more variations of the exercises, but you will be taking rest in between. So with this case, you can add such workouts 2 to 3 times a week. And the other case will be such that where the intensity is high and the volume is low. So this workout will last only for 5 to 10 minutes, but you won't be getting any break in between. So you will be repeating the basic variation of the exercises without taking any rest in between. So this will be a very high intense workout. So if you are following such high intensity low volume workout, then you can add such ab workouts almost 5 to 6 days a week. Now depending upon what suits best for you, you decide what you should go for. But make sure that whenever you are doing any ab workouts, you engage your core muscles properly, so focus more on the muscles rather than the movement. So now you might be wondering how much time will it take to get those abs. So as I already mentioned, this will highly depend on your current fat percentage. So if you are a leaner individual having less fat percentage, so the only goal here is to improve the definition of your abs. So it will take less time when compared with the individual having higher fat percentage or moderate fat percentage, where your goal is to increase the definition of your abs as well as to reduce the overall fat percentage. But if you want me to make a video on estimating this approx time span using some mathematical equations to reach towards your goal of getting six-pack abs in a healthier way, then comment down below so that I can make a video on that to help you all. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this information valuable, and if you did, then give this video a like and share with everyone who have the goal of getting six-pack abs, and comment below if you have any further queries, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative and scientifically backed videos. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based workout as well as nutrition coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.